What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about a little product review for the Manfrotto single articulated arm and clamp for a desk.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So needed to kind of upgrade the office a little bit. I have a glass desk. It's like probably a 1/4 inch thick, and was looking for something to mount lights on, so better lighting will be in front of me for the green screen, and then something to mount a camera on, potentially a lens. I'm looking at some lenses right now so I can have better video quality, and started poking around a little bit, and I found the Manfrotto 196B2 and the 143 BK2 two-section singular here, if you can see on Amazon. I'll throw a link below if you guys are interested in this. And basically, it's just a real simple, pretty heavy-duty clamp, and it has a bracket on the top for either lights or like a camera, and it's got like 3 joints, so you can kind of make it go straight up and down, or you can make it angle a little bit. I'll show some shots here of like how I got it set up in my office. But then the clamp that it comes with is this thing right here, and this clamp here is pretty heavy duty. So you can I was a little worried about clamping it too hard and maybe breaking the glass, but it works on a pole or on a regular desk type thing, like a flat desk like I have. It works fine, and so far it's been holding up pretty well. And then it comes with like this stud, so you could mount something directly to the clamp if you wanted to. And this little stud, there's a little pin here. And you push the pin in, and then you put the stud in, and then you tighten it up, and it works pretty well. But the arm also fits in that place where the stud would go. So the arm right here, the one we were just looking at. So that arm fits in that this thing here fits in that clamp right here in this stud. You push a little pin, screw it in, and then tighten it up, and you're good to go. So if you're in the market for a nice setup for your desk or a pole, this is a very high-end clamp, and it's not that expensive. I think the clamp and the arm together are around $70. I'll leave a link below. If you guys did enjoy today, I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new and bang that notifications bell. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.